Hey guys, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. It's currently 11:25. I'm at the gym, about to go in, but this morning I took it a little bit slow. I woke up at like 9ish. I went on a walk with my mom. I love going on walks in the morning. I feel like it just helps me like wake up, and it's very relaxing, and my mom likes having someone to go with. Just gonna do like a shorter workout, like just on the stairs, and then probably go back and do Pilates. I haven't done that in a while, but I prefer to do it in my bedroom instead of at the gym. Today I'm gonna take you through just like a little day in my life. It's been a pretty slow day so far, so like I can't even call it a productive day in my life. I mean, I could, but I just got back from my workout. It was actually pretty good. When I got into the car, I dropped my AirPod under the seat, and I literally had to go like grab it. It took like 5 minutes. I had to move the seat all the way forward, and I was really scared because I couldn't see it for like a few minutes, but it's okay. My AirPod is fine and it's not ruined. So now I'm gonna head home, and yep, see you there. So excited. I just got this zip up in the mail, and it's really cute. It's from Brandy, Melville, and it's just one size. Okay, hey guys, so I'm sitting on my bedroom floor. Lovely, right? But I just finished filming a video, so I got like ready. I just like took a shower, to put some makeup on, just like looked presentable, and I think tonight going to probably just like have dinner and have a chill night with my family. I'm not really sure if we have any plans. I guess I wanted to talk about the camera. So I asked for a camera for Christmas, and my dad ordered it on the earlier side because he was scared that it would go out of stock, because he bought one that was like refurbished or like used or something like that. So anyways, it came really early, and he is like letting me figure out how to use it because I really want to use it when I go back to school, but I kind of need to figure out how to use it and get comfortable with using it. I'm super excited. I thought it was finally time to get a camera because I've been making videos for a few years now, and I really like it, and I feel like having a camera is just going to improve the quality of my videos so much. Honestly, the phone works really well too, but it's just hard because you can't do as much with it, and at least for me, it's very obvious the quality of like using this camera versus using my phone's camera, especially with the lighting and stuff. I don't know, it's just like a lot better to have an actual camera. But yes, I'm so thankful to my dad for supporting this hobby of mine. Definitely want to start making more videos and showing more about like college and trying to balance college with like doing other stuff. And yeah.